Alright, so today we're going to be finishing the building, and first off we're going to be showing you a little bit of a difference between both my dad's and my building. Here's one of the sides. There is a smokestack that he found in a scrap box, and on the front, or on the back, sorry, you can see that smokestack a little bit better, and then the different colors. There's not a whole lot of differences, but here's the main difference, is the door on the side, which you can see pretty well, and it's actually a white metal door. On the front, you can see a bit of a difference with the doors, but there's not a whole lot of difference. Also, my front window is covered up with that piece of wood. Here's that smokestack again. I'm going to go through all the details that are different. Here is an angle, and actually this whole assembly, I didn't put any of that on my building. Here's the door. He put this door on when he finished some more of the details. And in here, this is actually part of a Ritz cracker box, so it was basically free. He used it as the second floor, and I thought that that was a pretty cool idea. Here's the roof. It's basically the same as mine, just a little bit different orientation with the tar lines. Here's an interior shot of it. There are two shots here. Both of them look good. They have a lot of detail, and also don't mind the guy on the ground right there. I'm going to do the roof exactly how they tell me to, just to save on time, but then I'm going to add some strips to both of the edges so that it's a bit more uniform. I had to cut down some of the wood so that the roof would fit properly though, because I messed up installing the front wall, I should say. Installing the windows was easy. I just used some packaging, it's clear packaging, and then cut it up. For this part, you have to kind of mark, well, I marked where the road was with a car, and then also a Sharpie. And I covered up the road, I painted it black, and then put scenic sand right on top of the black. Got the scenic sand for free at a sale. It was free, and I've actually got 2 bottles of it, so it should last me a while. And if you put it on super heavy while the black is still wet, then it'll give it this almost gravel-like appearance. I like how it turned out, and you can finish up that line by adding some ground foam to it. For ground foam, I'm just using Woodland Scenics products, and then in the small spice bottle, I have a mix of both green, Woodland Scenics green ground foam, and then light green ground foam. I just secured it with white glue, nothing fancy. It was just straight out of the bottle white glue, because I didn't want to use white water because it would warp the actual foam that I'm putting the scenic stuff on. I'm using shrubs and saplings, did a review of that, link in the description. I just wanted to add a little bit of stuff around the edges just to make it look a little bit better. For the roof, I weathered it with some inexpensive chalk pastels, and then sealed it with Rust-Oleum matte finish. I should have done it with a flat finish, but I don't have a flat finish on hand. Alright, so that's how it looks when it's weathered. This video probably could have had a little bit better shot of that right there, but that's alright. I weathered the road with those 2 marks with some weathering powder, and then sealed it with Rust-Oleum matte clear. Alright, so thank you guys for watching this video. Here's a shot of what I did with the building. Be sure to check out the links in the description so that you guys can learn a little bit more about the contest. But it's pretty much too late to enter now because the contest closes April 1st. But be sure to check out the links in the description so that you can learn a little bit more. And in the next video, we're going to be spending a little bit more time on my dad's building, and then also I'm going to show you what I did to finish off my building. Thank you guys for watching this video, and be sure to subscribe.